Our journey begins deep within the Earth, where high-strength aluminum ore is mined to form the skeleton of humanoid robots.
All right, I'm increasing the flow to the crusher. Monitor the load and keep the kiln temperature steady.
Crushed aluminum ore is preheated before entering the smelting process to extract pure aluminum for the robot skeleton.
Molten aluminum is extracted from bauxite, forming the raw skeletal material for the humanoid robot.
These are the new skeleton parts.
Yep, heading out today. We need 3 more pallets ready by noon.
Prepared aluminum ingots begin their journey from the smelting plant to the robot assembly factory.
That's the last of the aluminum. Make sure the titanium count is exact before we move to the battery components.
Got it. The ABS pellets look good too. This batch looks flawless.
Yes, the surface inspection confirms it. Ready for the CNC table.
The Z-axis is calibrated, but double-check the width.
It's reading 150 millimeters exactly. Each skeleton component is meticulously measured to ensure perfect alignment for the humanoid robot's joints. Calibration successful. Micro adjustments required on the shoulder mounts. Initiate sequence 7B for final alignment check.
Torque set to 40 Newton meters. Check. Rotation smooth.
Ensure the actuator is fully seated before securing the bolts. Use the pneumatic driver set to torque limit 3. Next, we will route the wiring harness.
Sensors are installed to give the robot precise awareness of motion and environment.
Battery cells are carefully arranged to power the humanoid robot systems.
The pack is secure. Begin the thermal and voltage tests on this one immediately.
Battery packs undergo thermal testing to ensure stable performance under varying temperatures.
24 volts. Passing. Next.
Levels look good on the primary.
Confirms to stable across the board.
All right, verification complete.
HIP module installed. Connection secure.
Acknowledged. Begin shoulder installation. The humanoid robot's power system is activated for the first time, verifying proper integration of batteries and modules.
Power system fully verified, ensuring safe and reliable operation for the humanoid robot.
The pressure looks good. We are ready for the injection sequence on the torso mold.
Ensure full coverage on the corners. When you're done with that one, move it to the curing station immediately.
The humanoid robot's facial structure is assembled to house sensors and mimic human features.
All right, moving to the facial plate now. Keep the pressure consistent for a smooth finish across the dermis layer.
vision sensors are installed to enable AI perception and depth mapping.
Calibration complete. Systems check, green. Robot, confirm audio input.
The main control PCB is installed to centralize the robot's intelligence and actuator control.
High-performance AI processors are installed to give the humanoid robot advanced perception and decision-making.
Each actuator is calibrated for precise motion and coordinated movement.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Vision system is tested for depth perception, tracking, and calibration.
Testing microphone array. Levels coming through clearly.
Audio system verified for input and output clarity.
AI system runs initial motion simulations to verify coordination and responsiveness.
Robot tested under load to ensure joint strength and endurance.
10, 11, 12, 13.
Emergency stop protocols verified to ensure safe interaction with humans.
Inline optical inspection ensures all components meet precise specifications before final testing.
Robots perform full-range joint movements to verify flexibility and coordination.
$28, $29, $30.
Arms are tested under load to verify lifting capacity and torque endurance.
Robots tested for coordinated walking and obstacle navigation.
Robot, execute sequence 5. Full articulation.
Voice recognition capabilities are tested for accurate human interaction.
Robot's vision system synced with motion to interact dynamically with moving objects.
Robots tested for endurance to ensure continuous operation over extended periods.
All right, let's try the grip test now. Take the cube.
Robots are tested to safely interact with humans and respond to gestures.
Final inline quality control ensures the robot meets all functional and cosmetic standards before packaging. All robot surfaces are cleaned to remove dust and residues before coating.
Protective coating applied to enhance durability and surface resistance.
Protective coating cured to ensure durability and scratch resistance.
Cosmetic inspection ensures each robot meets visual perfection standards. Each robot receives a unique serial number for identification and traceability.
QR codes and labels applied for product information and traceability.
Placement confirmed. Scanning now.
Foam inserts prepared to protect robots during transport.
Robots placed securely in crates to prevent movement or damage during shipping.
Shock sensors ensure safe monitoring during transport and detect impacts.
Robots securely packaged with export-grade protection, ready for global shipment.
Crates are stored in climate-controlled warehouse racks, awaiting global dispatch. Inventory system updates ensure accurate tracking of all robots for shipment and global distribution.
Robots loaded onto trucks with secure strapping for safe transport to port.
Port to port,
Beginning their global journey. Robots are loaded into shipping containers for international transport, ensuring secure handling.
Robots traverse oceans as part of global distribution, tracked via GPS for secure delivery.
Look at this scuff mark on the corner. That looks like transit damage.
Yeah, I see it. Let's document this immediately. Robots are transported from port to local warehouses for final distribution.
Robots are stored and logged in warehouse inventory, ready for customer delivery.
Robots selected for shipment to customer factories, ensuring accurate fulfillment.
Robots arrive safely at customer site, ready for installation and deployment.
Robots unpacked and installed, ready for integration with factory operations.
Human-like industrial service robots complete their journey from raw materials to full operational deployment.